moment nung sabi ko, okay, gagawa tayo ng bagong kwento. Magsisimula tayo sa umpisa. And it made me realize, no, pag aalis kasi sa comfort zone mo or taking a risk, lagi siyang may chance of failure, but at the same time, it carries the seed of greatness.
That's right, greatness.
Tsaka nakadepende sa'yo how you will shape your story. And at that moment, nung sabi ko, okay, gagawa tayo ng bagong kwento. Magsisimula tayo sa umpisa.
I love it. Nakadepende sa'yo how you're going to shape your story. Gagawa ka ng bagong kwento. At tama nga yun, with a big risk comes great reward. And we're so eager to take care of you. But what did you like about Honor of Kings? What is it that made you be like, you know what? Gusto ko dito.
Actually, yung vibe kasi for Honor of Kings, parang pag nakikita ko, nandiyan si Daddy Hawk, very welcoming sa community. Speaking of very welcoming din, laging yung banters with Butters. Shoutout pala kay Butters. Isa yun sa
Magic
mga
bunot.
nakatawa. And ramdam mo na yung family vibe. And at the same time, yun nga, nagsisimula sa umpisa ulit, parang baby steps, but at the same time, karga-karga yung buong community.
At actually, ang nararamdaman ko sa'yo ngayon is willing kang mag-relearn, mag-reset, which is actually yun ang pinakamahirap gawin sa buhay ng isang human being. Madaling sabihin
to
yun
relearn.
madaling sabihin yun, relearn ko lang, ganun-ganon. Pero yung total reset process, napakahirap gawin yun. So welcome, ate girl.
Welcome!
Welcome, ate girl.
Nagulat talaga lahat.
Naka-blue ka ng onte.
Oo.
May